Hello, Dakota. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. So, just going through your website, we're going to take a quick look, see what's going on. So, right away, love the Alliance painting. Header is a little big. I understand that. And maybe get that a little smaller. We got our contact number over here. Excellent. You always want people to see that right away for those quick conversions. We got your social media stuff. Typically, we see them on the bottom of every page, but it's okay to have them there. Now, as I start scrolling, the header stays with me. We definitely don't want that. You want that to kind of go up to the top so people can have a full screen. People get really upset when they don't get to see the entire screen and use the whole thing. So either they'll X out or they'll they might go through it, but you're losing a lot of people. I guess you would be losing a lot of people because of that. Now, as we scroll through, you got your services, interior, exterior cabinets, excellent. Um, who you're accredited with, what you do. Nice video. Love this. It helps, and you have it a lot more comprehensive, so it's very targeted, which is what you want. And then just limited warranty testimonials, which are nice. I see you have contact us throughout, which is definitely what you want. Testimonials are good, and then you have contact us again. And then obviously different links on the bottom. Now, overall, good website. Not a lot of content. Now, Google is very strict on content, so they're looking for about 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page alone, because they want to see that content to help rank you for that one. I would probably just add, like, on your homepage, just have all your services on there and just talk about them, and split that up with some nice videos. But let's take a look behind the curtain, see what's going on with you guys. So, Lions Painting. UR rating is how strong your website is, and a DR rating is how much Google actually trusts you. So the way we get this up, because we want them in the 30s at a ratio of 1 to 1, is backlinks. So the backlinks are where you have your website linked somewhere else that can lead theoretically back to you. And you have 87 that come back to you. Now, not all backlinks are created equal. Some of them are very spammy, like a Wikipedia or BuzzFeed page. We don't care for those. Some of them are really good, and we definitely want those because they add more of an authority to you. So let's take a look at the final thing here, which is your organic keywords. This is what someone is putting in Google to search for something specific. Now, we don't want something very generic. We want very much buyer intent keywords. So a buyer intent keyword is, for example, this would be generic, right? There's no intent behind it. It's paint before or after flooring, right? So it's somebody asking a question and it leads them to a blog, and you are getting traffic through it because you're in position number 1, but it's not enough, right? There's only a volume of 60 and these people aren't ready to buy yet because there's no intent. Plus, they might not even be in your city. So we're missing on that too. Then we have paint or floors first, right? And then again, it's very generic. There's no location. So you got 600 people a month searching for that, and you're getting 18 of those people, but again, they might not be in your city. So we're missing out on a lot of targeted traffic. So let's kind of scroll through, see if there's anything very more specific we can get into that will help. Frisco. Awesome. That's a great one. Frisco Painting Services. It's a very intent keyword. It's people looking for painting services in Frisco. So we got 30 people searching for that, and you're getting one person a month. And I guess you're on either the borderline first page or you're on the second page, pretty much second page here. So we definitely want to be on the front page for any high ranking keyword. So we don't have a lot of very buyer intent keywords. That's, I think, a big problem. We got a lot of keywords, just not buyer intent keywords. Now, DFW painting is a good one. 200 people a month searching for it. Unfortunately, you're on page number 2 to 3 for that one alone. So we definitely, want to increase the ranking there. But let's take a look at somebody else, right? So I'm actually going to scroll back. So Painters, Dallas, Texas. It's a really high keyword. It's about 400 people. We got our Google guarantee, so people paying to get here. They're sponsored. More ads of people paying to get into these positions. And then Platinum Painting Richards is another ad. But this is our GMB, our Google Business Profile. It's the map pack. It's where you want to be, actually, because about 30 to 40% of all people searching for something will end up clicking on one of these 3 people. But let's just go to the organic search. So in the organic search, this is where you can rank, without having to really, pay for ads, right? First up, you got Yelp, Hughes, Home Advisor, and then number 4 is Big Al's Painting. Okay, so they're going to be your biggest competitor over here. So just taking a look at their website, it's very clean. They got, left side over here, call service, free estimate, get your free. So they're very much in your face about what they're looking for, but they have huge buyer intent keywords all along their website, right? House Painters, Dallas, Texas is a huge one. right? Interior and exterior painting in Dallas, Fort Worth, Texas. They have a large amount of keywords throughout their website, Dallas, Texas Painters. So they may have a lot of content, which is exactly what Google wants, and they also have the keywords to back it up. That's exactly what it is that they're looking for. So, it's not a very beautiful website to look at. It's honestly a very bland and, whatever website, because there's no pictures, there's nothing that catches the eye. It's just a lot of words, and people are very lazy. They don't like reading. However, they still will show up as number one. And because they have these words, they have free estimate and call us, they're going to get those conversions. So they're playing a law of average game over here, and they're winning. Now let's take a look behind the scenes. So their UR rating is 17, so they have a strong website, and they don't have a very high trust rating with Google because only 540 backlinks. It's not a lot, but it's not a small amount depending on how much competition is in the area. But they have 103 referring domains. Again, not all of them are better or worse. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. Now, what we can do is we can take some of the good ones, right? We find out what the good ones are, and we just use them for your website. But they do have 314 organic keywords, pulling in 500 people a month to their website. So let's take a look at those keywords. So what we're going to pay attention to is what the keywords are, the volume, position, and how much traffic they're getting. So Painters Dallas, right? That's what I put in. They're getting 400 people a month who are searching for this keyword, which is on their website. They're getting 36 people a month to their website from just that keyword because they're in position 4. So they're on page number 1. So if you just kind of look quickly, 400, 500, 422, 455, these are all buyer intent keywords. Houston Painters Dallas, Texas. They're variations of the same word, but human nature is to, they'll put in whatever they want. As long as we're ranking for those, then it's a help. And they're getting all the traffic from these people because they're on page 1. So how does this help you guys on Dakota? All we got to do, honestly, is we got to get more backlinks in here. Strong referring domains, like I said, we'll take the opposition's referring domains, see what they're using and use the same thing. We gotta be more targeted in the organic keywords, no blogs and stuff like that. Those are good, but those are good for backlinks. And we want them to be strong keyword buyer intent. And then last but not least, obviously, is have those organic keywords embedded in up to 1,500 to 2,000 words on the home page alone. If we can do that, you can probably, double, triple, even quadruple the amount of organic traffic you're getting currently. And what would that mean to you guys if you can triple through your website? That's all I got for you, Dakota. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'd be more than happy to talk with you. If you have any feedback, of course, I would love that as well. Otherwise, you have a great day. Bye.